Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Acorns recurring roundups for investing step by step clearly. Open the Acorns app on your device. Log into your account if prompted. Once you are on the home screen, locate the Invest tab at the bottom. Tap on the Invest tab to open the investing section. Look for the Round UPS feature on the screen. Select the Round UPS option to proceed. If you haven't set up Round UPS yet, follow the on-screen prompts to activate it. After activation, you'll see options for configuring your Round UPS. Choose the amount you want to round up from your purchases. You can set different target amounts, such as $1 or $5. Next, look for the Recurring Investments section. Tap on that section to customize your recurring Round UPS. Decide how often you want these investments to occur. Options may include daily, weekly, or monthly settings. Once you select the frequency, confirm your choice. You will also have the option to set a maximum limit for your Round UPS. This helps to manage how much you want to invest overall. Review your selections to ensure they reflect your preferences. If everything looks good, tap the Save button to apply your settings. You will receive a notification confirming that your Round UPS are configured. Monitor your investments through the app's dashboard to see your progress. That's it. Your recurring Round UPS are now set up for investing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.